Okay, just for the repairability test. So, see right here, I'm trying to take this shingle off just for ITEL, and I'm just gonna document some of this. Was already here, just FYI, this little crack. So that's wear and tear, but just as it pertains to the back side, I'm just going to document pulling off this one shingle right here in the front here, and just show my efforts, just so you can see what it looks like in case we had to replace or do a repair in back. So already, I'll show this. I already tried. So again, this is the shingle I'm taking. This is the one above it that I need to pull up. As I pulled this, went underneath here, and it's popping. It was unsealing the applique, and it's already, you can see it's creating a break there along the side. So keep watching. Hopefully, let's see here. Hopefully that is getting it. And I'm gonna get this one too. Maybe this is better if I hold it like this. See, that's unsealing that shingle, which all these other ones, I'm just going to test, these appliques are all sealed. So, just for the record. And you can see I'm not going crazy. Okay, this, let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna have to lift this up. You see this? That's not coming up very, I mean, it's pretty stiff. So just for the record of this shingle. Again, this side is being replaced, but I'm just giving record of what shows. So just the before of this shingle that has to be pulled up so that this one can get taken. I'm gonna go back to putting it here.